this will be the last time you guys will see this LLY in this form. No more stands. Time to grow up. Time to go to stocks. For those of you guys that have been following this build for a while, it's got a 4.5-inch BDS, 2-inch wheel spacers in the front. Up front has the BDS normal knuckle for this 4.5-inch kit, in which they do have the option for you to get the narrow knuckle, so that way the front track width tucks in. I opt to go with just the normal. So if you look, even with the 2-inch wheel spacer in the rear, the front is slightly wider. Now, why I tell you guys? Because I'm about to swap the setup to some stocks on 35. The set of stocks off of the newer GMCs. The newer GMCs, the bolt pattern changed, so I'm gonna need to run adapters. Well, I'm already running spacers in the rear. If I put adapters up front, I'm kind of scared to see how much the front is going to poke out even with stocks compared to the rear. So we'll find out in a little bit. We have Dylan on the way who has the stocks that we're trading setups. He's got an LML, so he also had to run adapters for his stock setup as well. And look who is here, Donnie, because well, it's his house. All right, so we got Dylan over here with his 2008, right?
It's a 10.
It's a 10? Okay, it's a 2010 LMM Duramax. So this was like literally the year before it became an LML. Now this is probably one of the cleanest LMLs you'll see, and it's a beautiful color. Victory red, except his truck is way cleaner than mine. It's an old farm truck. It's a work truck. That's like a 2020 Denali wheel, isn't it? Cool, so that's a 2020 Denali stocks, and we are just gonna trade. He's been wanting to do stance for a while, right? You know, I figured, you know, let's switch it up. I really enjoyed the Bubba setup I had on my AT4, so on my LLY I finally got it running, kind of in a way converting this into more of my daily kind of a work truck in a way. I figured if I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna do it right and put some stocks so that way I can fit in with all the other people at Home Depot, you know, shopping. Did you buy this from Facebook?
Yeah, I got him on Marketplace. A dude, he just gotten like a new Denali and swapped wheels immediately.
You excited for stance?
Yeah.
Well, luckily he's already got the whole rocker panel right here PPF'd, so you are prepared.
Yeah, it's gonna swing like crazy
for the stance life. So yeah, this truck, I mean, all the work's done by Elite Innovations. So you got a leveling kit on it?
Yeah, it's leveled. Like
a kryptonite leveling kit, or?
I'm not sure. He had it on there when I
bought it. Okay. So it looks like just some leveling keys, maybe some shock extenders. How does that ride?
It rides pretty good.
Rides pretty good. Look how his amp steps have the chrome finish on the side. You don't see that very often. Or did you? Is that like a cap that you put on there?
Amp sells it.
Oh, Amp
you just
sells
slide it over it on the end of it. You set the pop. You pop this cap off right here. You just slide it down it.
Okay. That completes this truck so well, because just like my LLY, this truck's got red and chrome theme to it.
Yeah.
And it just makes it pop. All right, now let's go back to my truck. Uh-oh, that's not what I want to hear.
No. I thought this bitch was coming out. It never came out. Damn.
What do we do?
I just spun in there even more.
Uh-oh.
Yep. Thought he was backing out. That really sucks.
Yeah, we gotta figure out. If not, dude, I'm just gonna have to stack the adapters on top of my wheel spacers. I'm just gonna have to.
We need to go get a deep socket.
A deep socket?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you know what? Harbor Freight just opened up, literally 2 minutes down the road. Let's go get some deep sockets.
Yep, let's go.
All right. You got time for?
Yeah, I got time.
Well, you kind of have to come with us now.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
What are you cooking over there?
Cooking nuts.
Cooking nuts? It'll come out when it's liquid, right?
Yep.
Never fails. Never fails. It's always that one lug. When we were doing the wheel lights on my AT4, I had one lug that was different than all the other ones, and I didn't have the key for it. Mondo had it. I had to drive 30 minutes there and 30 minutes back. Normally it wouldn't be that big of a deal, but this was at 2 o'clock at night, and it was right before our Elite Truck Takeover show, so that was no bueno. It smells like barbecue.
It smells like barbecue. Smells good.
All right. Came out?
Oh, that motherfucker didn't come out. That motherfucker just spun in there.
How did it just spin in there?
I have no idea. Oh my goodness. Bro.
How the frick?
Just thinking.
Just take one of those 12-point.
And try to smack it in there.
Smack it in there.
I don't know if he's gonna stay. Because he doesn't.
Oh wait, it's kind of catching. Kind of. It's kind of catching. Kind of.
I'll buy you a new socket. Hold on.
It's got warranty on it, bro. Lifetime warranty from Harbor Freight. Pittsburgh socket. Alright, let's try it.
You know what they say about the lube, right?
What did they say?
I don't know.
Alright, smash that thumbs up button for good luck.
Hell yeah. You wanna do this? It doesn't want to come out. Does it feel like it's coming out? Oh, this time the motherfucker is coming out.
It is?
I think so. You see how it's walking over weird?
Oh yeah.
Check him out.
Just like that.
Woo!
It's because
Yeah,
everybody
baby.
smashed the thumbs up button.
Thank you guys. But I definitely smashed my thumb, bro.
Well, you smashed the thumbs up button for sure.
Yeah.
Donnie took smashing the thumbs up to another level.
Too serious.
Dang. Do you think I could warranty this out at Harbor Freight?
I bet you can.
Be like 17 millimeter with a nut stuck to it. We should try that.
Wait, we should try it.
Leave a comment below if you guys think I should try to take this to Harbor Freight and try to get it warrantied out. Sure.
I gotta go use the bathroom. Be right back.
Bro, this headlamp is a game changer. You know where you can get this? jwmotorsportsco.com.
It's crooked and you can still see a lot.
It's crooked.
Yeah, it's like, check it.
Oh. There we go. Better now.
Exactly.
Should we do it
What?
this week only? If you buy any Rocklight bundle kits, we'll throw these in there for free.
Yeah?
Let's do it.
You heard, guys. Go get your rock lights and get a light.
All right, here it is. Dang, my truck's significantly taller now with these 35s. And the front poke is definitely a little wider than the back. It's not too bad, but worst case scenario, we're gonna do like a 3-inch adapter in the rear to push it out. But this is strictly because I have the BDS regular knuckle. If you go with the narrow knuckle, you wouldn't have this issue, but you do lose a little bit of turning radius. Check out this beast. Damn. Did you get full lock?
No.
No, you didn't get full lock?
No, I scrubs on the bumper.
Dude, what do you think though?
It looks nice.
You
It looks
like
a
it?
lot better.
Yeah? Better than you thought?
Yeah.
Yeah? And that's what you've been wanting, right?
Yeah.
Some 14 wides? Dude, that's perfect.
It looks 10 times better.
Truck just automatically looks about 10 times faster. What'd you think about the turbo?
That sounded good.
Yeah, Ryan's turbo?
Yeah.
Because he's actually thinking about upgrading turbo, but he wants to do Dan's turbo. And you guys know how I feel about Ryan's turbo, so I'm trying to convince him to get a Ryan's turbo. He drove behind me. I got a 64 Ryan's turbo, so maybe we'll convince him to do Ryan's 64 instead of Dan. Nothing against Dan, but it's just kind of cool to have everybody on Team Ryan Diesel Services. So this is a 2010 LMM Duramax. As of right now, just keys are turned up. Really no leveling kit for it, really. Stock control arm, stock shock. You might be doing a bigger lift, right?
Yeah.
He's telling me that he was contemplating on a 7 to 9 McGaughy's or 4-inch Cognito. Honestly, if you do a 4-inch Cognito, it's gonna be like slightly taller than this.
Yeah.
So if you want the low stance look, Cognito is the way to go. But if you definitely want that I gotta lift a truck look,
Yeah.
7 to 9 McGaughy's all the way. I think it was only right that somebody else with the Victory Red Duramax got these wheels, because it just looks so much better. It complements this truck, and I'm glad it went to this truck because it looks really good. Before it was like clean and classy,
Yeah.
but now it's like pretty badass.
Yeah. I just need some rock lights.
Oh yeah, we'll get some rock lights on there and light it up.
Only if I let it be. I can control anything if I can just think carefully. I control my destiny. Deep up in my mind I manifest it every morning.
There's just something about red trucks that is just beautiful. But like I said, that is probably one of the cleanest LMM Duramaxes ever. With 46,000 original miles. Yeah, there's a slight scrub, but yeah, she is clean. Oh yeah, she's wide, she's thick. What's wrong with it? Ain't got no gas in it. So we're gonna take the LLY, aka the work truck, to go get some gas for the lawnmower. All right, y'all, here we have my 05 LLY Duramax rocking the 20-inch Denali stocks with Nitto trail grapplers. 35 by 1150 R20s. For those of you guys who have been watching this since I first picked this truck up, you guys will remember that when I first picked this truck up, it was on a 3-inch leveling kit, 5-star stocks. So now we're pretty much back where we started, just a little upgraded, a little bigger, newer wheels, color matching, and upgraded components. I really like the way this turned out, and the fact that I'm going to be using this truck is more for getting parts, doing yard work, and all that kind of stuff. I'll be hauling a little bit more with this truck. As of right now, this is perfect. With that being said, Rough Country does have an airbag system, so I'm thinking about doing airbags in the rear for when I do tow, whenever I'm hauling rocks or gravel or something like that. If that's something you guys would be interested, let me know in the comments below. Oh snap, that is that's kind of scary to look at. That, especially that one, that balance rate is not good. Now here's what I'm thinking. This is a project truck. All the other injectors look good. Now, do I use this opportunity to upgrade all the injectors and go with 15 over injectors, and while I'm at it, upgrade the pump as well? But that's not in our budget yet. We are going to be hitting a lot of shows this summer, and for those shows we're taking the L5P, the 2020 Duramax, and in order to do that, a lot of the budget that we have is going to be towards the 2020. Ideally, I don't want to spend $3,000-$4,000 on new injectors. Should I just go ahead and replace that one injector, call it a day for now, possibly 6 months to a year down the road, just go ahead and replace all the injectors, upgrade the injectors, even upgrade the pump, and then while we're doing it, do the head gaskets and probably do a built trans. That should be towards the end of this year or early next year possibly. I'm leaning more towards just replacing that one injector. Ideally, you don't want to replace just one injector, you want to do all at the same time. But come on, if you look at that balance rate, it's literally just that one injector. But Diesel Extreme helped out a lot because it used to surge a good bit, and you could see it. You used to be able to see it on the needle where it would go up and it would bounce and it would surge, which is no longer doing that. But it is still, at one balance rate is still pretty bad. So